we're being asked for the function of the underlined portion in the text as a whole. So once again, we are looking at Camillo, who's been away from his home in Sicily and is serving in the court of P, the king of Bohemia, and he's asking P for permission to return to Sicily. So P says, I pray thee, good Camillo, be no more importunate. 'Tis a sickness denying thee anything, a death to grant this. Camillo then says, it is 15 years since I saw my country, though I have for the most part been erred abroad. I desire my bones to lay there, or desire to lay my bones there, rather. Beside the penitent king my master hath sent for me, to whose feeling sorrows I might be some allay, or o'erween presume to think so, which is another spur to my departure. Well, this is basically saying he's got this inkling that it's, the king is maybe will be soothed by the presence of Camillo. So that's it. So then we go to our answer choices. Let's seeking a reason to eliminate. So choice A, it establishes, sees hope that P will be comforted knowing that Camillo isn't departing. He is departing at his own discretion. So A is out as really kind of a informational reversal. Then choice B, it suggests that Camillo feels compelled to persuade P that Camillo's decision to leave the court is justified. He's not compelled to do anything. He's just asking for something. So that's going to be a bit extreme. Goodbye to choice B. Then choice C, it conveys Camillo's recognition that one benefit his presence may afford the king of Sicily is merely speculative. Absolutely speculative matches presume. So might highlight that in blue, just saying that matches. Then choice D, it bolsters the idea that Camillo's primary motivation to return home is his concern for the king of Sicily's well-being. No, it's not his primary motivation. If anything, it seems like he wants to be buried there. So goodbye to choice D. We select choice C. We